understand, brother? I'm here on my own. I have to look after myself, okay?
Seorang pria asal Polandia tampak panik dan memohon agar segera diturunkan dari sepeda motor yang ditumpanginya. Ia curiga pria asal Aceh yang memboncengnya memiliki niat buruk dan hendak menculik dirinya. Aceh adalah salah satu daerah di Indonesia yang kerap disalahpahami oleh turis asing, terutama dari barat. Banyak dari mereka memiliki pandangan negatif, yang umumnya dipengaruhi oleh 3 hal. Pertama, penerapan hukuman cambuk bagi pelaku pelanggar syariah. Kedua, sejarah kelompok gerakan Aceh Merdeka di masa lalu. Dan ketiga adalah insiden penculikan warga asing pada tahun 2013.
Foreign governments or Western governments have been advising against travel to Aceh, citing obviously regional tensions and the independence movement, which is obviously not the case anymore. It's peaceful now. There were a few incidents in 2005, right at the ending of the conflict. The GAM, the Gereka Aceh Merdeka, where they kidnapped some Chinese workers. As recently as 2013, a British and a Canadian national were kidnapped in regional Aceh. They were aid workers, but that was considered to be ransom motivated and not political.
Kekhawatiran ini sempat dirasakan oleh seorang turis asal Polandia bernama Joseph saat berkunjung ke Banda Aceh. Saat itu, ia disapa dengan ramah oleh seorang pria lokal dari belakang.
Must say, hello sir. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Kamu nama?
Why you speak Indonesian?
No. No?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
it's fine.
Oh, it's fine, yeah.
No, you shoot me?
I'm shooting
Alright,
everything,
no worries.
yeah, making a video.
No, I don't want to disturb you.
Okay, no, you're not disturbing
What's
me.
your name, brother?
Bernard,
Where are you from?
from Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah.
ride?
No, it's okay. I'm gonna take a walk.
Alright.
Yeah, I want to just film stuff along the way. But thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. It's
Yeah.
very nice to meet you.
Pria Aceh yang diketahui bernama Edi itu kemudian mengajak Joseph untuk berkunjung ke sebuah pantai yang memang menjadi destinasi wisata turis. Disinilah letak masalahnya. Joseph mengira mereka akan pergi ke pantai yang jaraknya hanya 5 km dari tempat mereka berada. Dan dia mulai curiga saat sepeda motor yang ia tumpangi justru melaju sejauh 15 km ke arah yang berlawanan dari tujuan semula. Dalam kepanikan, Joseph pun merengek agar segera diturunkan.
And I couldn't help but wonder, is he known to them? Is he trying to avoid being seen? On top of that, he had asked me multiple times for my hotel room number. I didn't want to give it, but the receptionist told him anyway. Then, just before we left, he asked me if I had remembered my room key. That's when my mind started racing. What if he's planning to take the key, go back later and clear out my things? What if he leads me down a side street where other guys are waiting?
Brother, stop. It's okay. You understand, brother? I'm here on my own. I have to look after myself.
Melihat turis asing itu mulai ketakutan, Edi berusaha menenangkan dan menjelaskan bahwa mereka akan singgah terlebih dahulu ke rumahnya untuk beristirahat, sebelum melanjutkan perjalanan ke pantai seperti yang telah direncanakan.
Brother, I told you go to our place in Longa Beach. I don't say to Lily.
Who's our place?
Longa, our
Who lives
place.
there? Who lives there?
Me and my family and my cousin, everyone.
You sure?
You don't trust me, okay? You can.
I don't trust you. I don't know you, you know?
Kecurigaan Joseph akhirnya mereda setelah melihat pelang bertuliskan Edi's Homestay.
I didn't know, but I was definitely on high alert until I saw the sign, Eddie's Homestay.
Ternyata pria sederhana itu adalah pemilik beberapa penginapan di wilayah tersebut.
I don't want your... Do you mind if
No, not at all.
No problem, you suspect whatever, you know?
Yeah, of course, you have to be like that sometimes, you know?
It's my mom, everything.
It's a big house.
So this is, we have 24 rooms.
Oh, no way. So it's like a hostel.
That's why I asked you like,
Mm.
hey, That's why I want to know your room.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
I want to compare.
Okay,
like,
yeah,
this, like,
yeah,
that
yeah.
room, and then like that's why I asked how much the price for it. I
Yeah.
need your honest, you know.
Okay,
like,
yeah, yeah.
That's the reason. Sorry if I.
Makes sense.
take
No,
your
it's okay. It's
privacy.
okay. Yeah. See. Oh, okay, guys. You see, I thought Eddie was about to kidnap me, but he's actually a nice guy.
Sorry if I make you scared. Yeah?
No, it's just because I thought you meant like.
I don't want you to miss your sunset.
Setelah kesalahpahaman itu terungkap, Yosep mengaku merasa bersalah karena telah menaruh curiga. Eddie ternyata adalah sosok yang ramah dan sangat menjunjung nilai-nilai keramah tamahan. Ia bahkan mengundang Yosep untuk menginap beberapa hari di homestay miliknya.
Apa kabar? Hello.
So welcome, brother.
Wow, this is
I hope
amazing.
not cloudy. I want you to see the sunset.
Yeah. Wow. I feel stupid now for thinking that I was gonna get kidnapped, but let this be a lesson to all you solo travelers. You gotta look after yourselves. I mean, I don't really feel silly actually. That was justified. But you tell him.
Oh, welcome to Eddie's Homestay,
Okay.
especially our Airframe Resort. Eddie's Homestay in Lok Nga, Aceh, Indonesia.
Yes.
Thank you.
And he definitely won't kidnap you.
Kini, keduanya menjadi kawan baik, pergi kemana-mana selalu berdua. Apabila membahas momen-momen menegangkan tersebut, mereka selalu tertawa. Joseph tersadar pria yang sebelumnya ia kira mau menculiknya, ternyata adalah pria paling ramah yang pernah ia temui.
Alright guys, good afternoon from Banda Aceh. I'm here with my good friend Eddie, and we're going into, what are we checking out? A stadium.
Football stadium, big one.
Stadium. Eddie thinks I'm his and he keeps asking me if I'm. So I'm sure if my family's watching this, they can write in the comments if I'm a. I mean, I do have my force. I'm not gonna show him, but I do have it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm back in Banda Aceh because I love it too much. And yeah, now me and Eddie are friends. Even though he tried to kidnap me before, but I got away, and now we're friends. Now we're together riding through town. Even though I think Eddie is trying to get me whipped because he's accusing me of being in Indonesia. I think he's trying to put my life at risk.
Peace.
Peace.